category ki oina hoi best VFX supervisor dugumba langdai ama haina mingtholiba film adugi best VFX supervisor oina Mahendra Songtha direct capital sati Betul nang masigi ewan atau pun orang masigi dapat kisah film category yang apa best music director haribo best music director masigi award betul nama Tony Kahego music director Martin Kenny actor Divita Sebenarnya Manipur Film Award ki masih best actor in leading role mereka poin ini yang difollow film itu di 𝕸𝕎𝔸ℝ𝔻 best actor in leading role mereka juga ini lah best singer 𝕸𝕎𝔸ℝ𝔻𝕼 Sabi Manipur Film Award ki best actor category da best actor in leading role mereka poin film di 𝕸𝕎𝔸ℝ𝔻 itu juga red carpet itu saya pilih dengan 𝕸𝕎𝔸ℝ𝔻 nah singer Satya Sarati hari ini nama Sarasandra Tiam Haribo bukan writing on Manipur cinema Haribo kita bersegi suri siapa sahaja boleh dalam lagi Masih थोड़ा masih teman. Sri Pradeep Panjogom. Masih थोड़ा masih lihat apa itu sapi ini bahwa jadi. Sarati Manipur Film Award. Masih थोड़ा masih teman. Manipur Minister Sri 𝕙𝕗𝕗𝕗 Commissioner Yashir Organised Minister Governor Manipur Agriculture Minister National OPD Agriculture di Honorable Minister Galorana red carpet volunteers na Honorable Minister of Manipur si 𝕙𝕗𝕗𝕗 Public female जो ना सुनीता फिल्म की नर्मदा सौगाईजन Best Actor in Leading Role Female Narmada Sowgaijan for the film Sunita. Best Actor in Leading Role Female in the film category for the film Sunita, Narmada Sowgaijan. This is a film category where jury member is the awardee sound technician associated with critically acclaimed film 𝔸𝕎𝔸ℝ𝔻 among family members. Recapitulating in learner. Then this is a film 𝔸𝕎𝔸ℝ𝔻 a trained state awardee sound engineer and associated with leading filmmakers of Manipur and Organised. Dan bisa film ini si Sananda Froilapur with family red carpet setiga. Ladies and gentlemen, the Honorable Governor of Manipur has arrived at the venue. The Honorable Governor of Manipur has arrived at the venue. The Honorable Governor of Manipur has now alighted from the official car and proceeding toward the red carpet with officials. May I request everyone to please rise and join us in welcoming the Governor of Manipur. And the Honorable Governor of Manipur is now proceeding along the red carpet towards the dais. Now the Honorable Governor of Manipur is accompanied by Honorable Chief Minister, Honorable Chief Minister, Commissioner, and
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the Manipur State Film Development Society, it gives us immense pleasure to welcome you all to the award presentation ceremony of the 17th Manipur State Film Awards 2025. Yesterday, we celebrated the achievements of Manipuri cinema. Today, we gather once again to honor the artistic spirit, dedication, and creative excellence that continue to elevate our film fraternity year after year. Ladies and gentlemen, please rise and welcome our respected chief guest, Honorable Governor of Manipur, 𝔸𝕎𝔸ℝ𝔻, our respected President of today's function, Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, 𝔸𝕬𝔸𝕻𝔻, and our respected guest of honor, 𝔸𝕬𝔸𝕻𝔻, Honorable Minister, Art and Culture and Tourism.
Chief Guest of Election Brigadier Sri 𝔸𝕎𝔸ℝ𝔻 Balaji, Honorable Governor of Manipur, Sri 𝔸𝕎𝔸ℝ𝔻𝕋 Singh, Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, Thorumgi President Loinana, Sri 𝔸𝕎𝔸ℝ𝔻𝔻 Singh, Honorable Minister of Art and Culture and Tourism, Thorum Segi, Guest of Honor, Hosik, State Election Bibaga Loinana, National Song, National Anthem, Loinana State Song, Hosik, Hombiraknaba, Narusari.
Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujalam Suphalam, 𝔸𝕎𝔸ℝ𝔼𝕻 Shashya Shamalam Mataram, Vande Mataram, Shubhra Jyotsalam Pulakitayamini, Fulla Kusumita Drumagala Shobhini, Suhasini Sumadhura Bhashini, Sukhadam Varadam Mataram, Vande Mataram, Koti Koti Kantha Kala Kala Ninad Karale, Koti Koti Bhujai Rhit Khar Karwale, Abla Ki Namayet Bale, Bahubal Dharini Namami Tarini, Ripudal Varini Mataram, Vande Mataram. Tumi Vidya, Tumi Dharma, Tumi Hrivi, Tumi Marma, Tvam hi Prana Sharire, Bahute Tumi Ma Shakti, Hridaye Tumi Ma Bhakti, Tumharai Pratima Gadi Mandire Mandire, Vande Mataram. Tvam hi Durga Dasha Praharanadharini, Kamala Kamaladal Viharini, Vani Vidyadayini, Namami Kamalam Amalanatulam, Sujalam Suphalam Mataram, Vande Mataram, Shyawalam Saralam Susmitam Bhushitam, Dharanim Bharanim Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram.
Nalaibak Manipur, Manipur, Koloy Nangi Manipur, Manipur, Lai Janungi Mani,
Narakilay Ram,
Tiktak na mga Chawbini,
Inunggong Dagi Haurati,
bi chan bi hai bi chikna lem na ngan thui bi
Hay na yang kop mawong ni Shumhat yai oi bi saktam ni
Puro gi ahan ba thong da pham oi bi na cha nau yok na pol hai bi khoi ru mo mo mi no gen ting bi
Shanana itha khawbalam
Lupana kongol thin balam Sangbana tiana pijang oi bi Nani gum manganay bini Sana laibak Manipur Manipur Kuloy ng di Manipur Manipur Kuloy ng di Manipur Manipur
Punamapur Thagsari, Hanagum Naisagi Pampam Langda, Lengsin Binanaba Mukan and Nuluksari.
A society that respects art also respects those who nurture and guide it. Ladies and gentlemen, may I have the honor to invite Sri 𝔸𝕎𝔸ℝ𝔻, IAS Commissioner, Art and Culture, Government of Manipur, to honor and felicitate our respected dignitaries present on the dais. Ladies and gentlemen, we are deeply honored by the gracious presence of the Honorable Governor of Manipur as our respected chief guest of today's function. We welcome you, sir. Thank you so much for your gracious presence.
Manipur State Film Development Society Maiki Degini, Masiki Lemberek Liba, Chief Guest President of the Guest of Honor Gimapamda. Langzariba Kudol Pot Singh, Antamutang, Sirius 𝔸𝕎𝔸ℝ𝔻 Singh, Commissioner Art and Culture, Government of Manipur na Kudol Tambiri.
Next to our respected President of today's function, Sri 𝔸𝕗𝕋 Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur. Thoramasigi Thoramapui na Lengshin Bibai Kumnajariba, Chief Minister Bu Tagachaba Fongdokchari Taramno Okchari. Mathangda Nasigi Thoramasigi Guest of Honor Amoy na Lengshin Biriba, Honorable Minister, Art and Culture and Tourism, Sri 𝔸𝕗𝕬 Singh Ikai Kumnajariba Sabusu Thoramasida Taramno Okchari, Nolukchari.
Sekimatangda Lakpiriba Kwai Punamaki from Dangachari, Hosik, Mangdale Bambera, Sukutana, Pantukseriba Torumsi, Kwai Diganamapung Pava, Pajarba Torumama, or Nanabagidamba, Sembiriba Mapugima from the Tony Zebani.
To formally mark the beginning of this auspicious ceremony, may I request the dignitaries on stage for the lighting of the inaugural lamp. Thank you very much for doing the honor. Cinema preserves moments, emotions, and history. In the same spirit, the official award catalogue reflects the remarkable cinematic journey of this year. May I now request the dignitaries for the release of the official award catalogue of the 17th Manipur State Film Awards 2025.
17 Manipur State Film Award 2025 ki official award catalog hojik miyam galwini nani catalog si officially miyam mangda phongdokchari.
Thank you very much for doing the honor. May I now respectfully invite the esteemed dignitaries to kindly descend from the dais and grace their designated seats in the auditorium for the forthcoming cultural presentation.
Manipuri folk song Kudol Tambigadavi Ngantoibi Ningtokjam Lonina Mahaki Kangbo Hosik Hariba Tamjariba cultural program si Pangtok Pinabagidambak ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯥꯔꯇꯤꯁꯄꯨ ꯅꯣꯂꯨꯛꯆꯔꯤ ꯀꯧꯁꯤꯟꯖꯔꯤ
Ladies and gentlemen, music carries the soul of a people, and Manipuri folk music continues to preserve the beauty of our traditions across generations. We now present a special folk song performance by 𝔸𝕸𝔸𝕝, recipient of the Best Playback Singer Female Award at the 16th Manipur State Film Awards, presented on this very stage yesterday evening. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting you 𝔸𝕸𝔸𝕝.
Check, check.
Check, check, hello, check, check.
So
ꯂꯝꯗꯝꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯅꯍꯥ ꯑꯣꯏꯖꯔꯤꯕꯤ ꯁꯛꯅꯥꯏꯔꯕꯤ ꯐꯣꯛ ꯁꯤꯡꯒꯔꯅꯤ ꯉꯥꯟꯊꯣꯏꯕꯤ ꯅꯤꯡꯊꯧꯖꯝ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤꯕ ꯊꯧꯔꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯦꯡꯕꯤꯔꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯐꯝꯗ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯐꯖꯔꯕ ꯃꯣꯁ ꯕ꯭ꯌꯨꯇꯤꯐꯨꯜ ꯄꯔꯐꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯁ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯜ ꯇꯝꯕꯤꯔꯕ ꯉꯝꯈꯩ ꯂꯩꯇꯅ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯆꯔꯤ ꯇꯤꯝꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯄꯨꯁꯨ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯆꯕ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤ.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are deeply honored that Madam First Lady Srimati 𝔸𝕎𝔸ℝ𝔻 has graciously joined us once again this evening. Her esteemed presence truly adds grace and warmth to this special occasion. So may I have the honor to request our respected Secretary, Manipur State Film Development Society, 𝔸𝕎𝔸ℝ𝔻 to do the honor of felicitating Madam First Lady.
Development Society have the proud privilege to stand here to welcome all of you today, the 29th May, to the 17th Manipur State Film Awards presentation organized by Manipur State Film Development Society here at Palace Auditorium. We are deeply honored and grateful to respected Sri Ajay Kumar Bhallaji, the Honorable Governor of Manipur, who has very kindly accepted to be the chief guest of today's function also. Sir, it is with great honor that I welcome you once again to the 17th Manipur State Film Awards presentation. Manipur State Film Development Society is very grateful for the encouragement and direction in promoting films of the state. Let me also accord a warm welcome to the First Lady of the state, Srimati 𝔸𝕎𝔸ℝ𝔻. I feel privileged to welcome Sri 𝕸𝕬𝔸𝕻 ji, Honorable Chief Minister, on the second day of the awards ceremony as the president of this function, held to recognize and honor the people connected with the film's making. Sir, you have been a source of constant leadership to take up the activities to promote and develop various art forms in the state. Next, I take the pleasure to again welcome Sri 𝔸𝕬𝔸𝕻 ji, Honorable Minister Art and Culture, as the guest of honor to this program to award the prestigious Manipur State Film Awards. Sir, Manipur State Film Development Society will continue to be guided by you. I am also elated to welcome Sri Vivek Devangan, Additional Chief Secretary, Government of Manipur. Sir, your presence will greatly encourage filmmaking in the state. Jury members are the base on which award ceremonies are organized, and through their hard work, we are able to applaud the works done in filmmaking, either individually or collectively. Manipur State Film Development Society, thank you all and welcome the jury members warmly. Let me also welcome all my colleagues, both from the civil and uniformed services, our esteemed invitees. Your presence has also added celebratory fervor to this event. We also take this opportunity to congratulate all the award winners and accord a cordial welcome to them. Manipur State Film Development Society also welcomes all the directors, cinematographers, actors, editors, sound engineers, singers, musicians, and all others associated in making of films. They may not have won an award today, but their presence shows how the filmmaking fraternity encourages and supports each other by being part of the celebration of the winners. With equal enthusiasm, I also welcome the brothers and sisters of the media fraternity who did an excellent job yesterday and will do so today also. Sir, with these words, I welcome you all once again. Thank you so much.
Ngasi Torungi, Chief Guest President, Amadi Guest of Honor, and the top brass officials of Manipur, Duga, Filmgi, Luminary Sing, Film Fraternity, Lapidi Bakwai Punamak, Ngasi Torum Simapung Panbiba, Lapidi Punamuk Taram Puyor, Tambiramba, Siri, Ice Gyan Prakash Singh, Commissioner on Culture, and Kalitan Tagas of Punduchari.
And ladies and gentlemen, moving forward, we'd like to invite Sri 𝔸𝕎𝔸ℝ𝔻, Secretary, Manipur State Film Development Society, to deliver the keynote address.
ꯂꯝꯗꯝꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯀꯣꯟꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯂꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡꯊꯧ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯦꯝꯕꯤ ꯑꯅꯤꯗ ꯈꯨꯔꯨꯝꯖꯔꯤ Honorable Governor of Manipur, Sri 𝔸𝕎𝔸ℝ𝔻𝕑, respected chief guests, Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, Sri 𝕸𝕻𝔸𝕉𝔻 respected President of today's function, Honorable Minister of Art and Culture, Sri 𝕸𝕻𝔸𝕉𝔻, respected guests of honor, awardees, distinguished guests, Madam Lady Governor, members of the film fraternity, friends from the media, ladies and gentlemen, good evening, 𝔸𝕎𝔸ℝ𝔻𝕼. Yesterday, we gathered here to celebrate the spirit and resilience of Manipuri cinema. Today, on the occasion of the 17th Manipur State Film Awards 2025, we celebrate another encouraging chapter in its journey. The steady growth of Manipuri cinema and the emergence of a storytelling voice that is gradually finding its own distinct identity. On behalf of the Manipur State Film Development Society, I express my heartfelt gratitude to all our respected dignitaries for gracing this occasion once again and for their continued encouragement to the creative community of our state. I would also like to place on record my sincere appreciation to the distinguished jury members whose thoughtful deliberation and commitment to excellence have made this award meaningful. What is most encouraging development in contemporary Manipuri cinema is the emergence of a distinct cinematic expression rooted in our land, memory, and lived realities. Through stories of identity, resilience, and human relations, our filmmakers are shaping a cinematic language that is uniquely Manipuri while also speaking to wider audience. As we celebrate the excellence in cinema for the year 2024, another fiction film bearing the emerging stamp of a distinct Manipuri cinematic voice is nearing completion under the able direction of Sri 𝕸𝕻𝔸𝕋𝕸. As this journey continues, while developing world-class infrastructure in the state is necessary as developing the world-class infrastructure in the state, strengthening the institutional foundation of cinema in the state remains important. The early operationalization of the Manipur State Film and Television Institute with structured academic programs could play a vital role in nurturing young talents, enhancing technical skills, and preparing future filmmakers for national and international platforms. Before I conclude, I extend my heartfelt congratulations to all the award winners. Your achievements continue to enrich the cultural life of our state and shape the future of Manipuri cinema. I also offer my special congratulations and honor to 𝔸𝕎 Arambam Lokendra, recipient of MSFDS Lifetime Achievement Award for 17 MSFA 2025, whose immense contribution as a screenwriter, academician, filmmaker, and mentor has profoundly shaped Manipuri cinema. 𝔸𝕎, your life's work will continue to be a source of inspiration for generations to come. With this word, I thank you once again for being part of this continuing celebration of Manipuri cinema. Thank you, 𝔸𝕻𝔸𝕻.
Why Manipur State Film Awards haibasigi matangdani yamna maruena Manipur gi film lovers film enthusiasts thengnariba problem punamaksigi aruiba achumba wahanthok ma madu phangnana bu hotnabada sigi challenges mayam sigi duga new hopes mayam ma masi thambiram mangam khalitana MSFDS ke secretary win thaupu biriba sunju basaspati mayum thagasu phongdojari
Loinana Thoramakha Chathazarakpoina ngasigi thoramasigi kai khunajariba guest of honor amoina lingshinbiriba Honorable Minister Art and Culture and Tourism mingoin hangacharabada Sri 𝕸𝕻𝔸𝕋𝕸𝔻 ikai khunajariba thoramga mari leinaba wafam sing thambiranaba nolukchari.
Respected Honorable Governor of Manipur, 𝔸𝕎𝔸ℝ𝔻𝕋𝔸𝕋, and the First Lady of the Manipur, Madam 𝔸𝕎𝔸ℝ𝔻𝕼, and a respected Honorable Chief Minister of the Manipur, 𝔸𝕎𝔸ℝ𝔼𝕻𝕋𝔸𝕋, and respected today's functions, 𝔸𝕎𝔸ℚ𝔻𝕻𝕼, Chief Secretary of the Manipur, and respected my friends, Shri Devangan, Additional Chief Secretary, and Shri respected 𝔸𝕬𝕇, Commissioner of Art and Culture, and Shri Sanju Vastavayam, Secretary, MSFDS, and the distinguished and dignitaries and artists. Ngarangdagi khoise makha tratuk suba Manipur State Film Award chathak kubanga sisina khogi trates suba Manipur Film Award lamtokpuge thorum masida khoi mayam si ngarang lakpasu yarongani ngasi da lakpasu yarongani adubu aina thamjaning madi khogi state ki film award se mayam si hojik si kare haite nong da pulap subsaning musu yawba adagidi makhata na sangdaning musu dum yawba adubu ekhoi state da leiba law and order gi phibam sina ekhoi mamang da matam chana tawba ngamawda boduna ekhoi state sina sarkar sina lakwas da ekhoi mamang da pending leiba sing si amat chithadna ekhoi next adum tawsi habagi wakhal lon da ekhoi department ga leiba ekhoi leiba staff sing ga ekhoi government gi side ki tanarga punna tawjabani madu mayam nini chathai habagi su madu waro bi tobi gan wafam si thamjage sengna ekhoi gi state sida artist sing se ai ngasi su ngasai lakpada dum ujai ekhoi gi film sina ekhoi Manipur da ngarang soi dum haijabadune ekhoi state sida ekhoi mioi bagi ekhoi film haibasi artist sing si lila drama adagi ekhoi film ekhoi mioi bai ekhoi si nahaki nokthohan ba kaphan ba nungai hen ba everything loina tawai adu leibase ekhoi na aina ngarang su amukhan aina haijabadu ngasi join artist sing sina ekhoi lamdam sida mioi bai ekhoi gi wakhal lon se kaphan bujunga mi nuain buju loinga mi nahaki oiba adna aina mukhasu hana first ahamada haijagadu je khoi lamdam sida hojik jati kunthra ga marina tare bai khoi state se si apun bagi wakhallon amada pusan ba ngamna bagi thauna lingjen do amtang mayam ai khoi leibiri ba artist sing then adagi khoi gi script writers and the directors sing sa punnam to hona view sin aina maru aina thamjaning is aduga khoi gi artist sing jina su aina thamjaning basi maru aina ekhoi mioi basi honardi mahi yale soina ko isona kitaw ju pi honabadi lepa yade ado artist sing se ekhoi gi kana gumba ai marubom khak le me thaina aina khoina koiroi ma 2004 5 6 adoida ma se ai misak maming di palaroi ge ai marup sina hai bhai nangna film de yaw basi nang kari wakhan khali aina khwai nuai je bhai ekhoi gi sorok ta gumba chapagan ai ji actor amne gane mayam ni yeng na budu yam madune yam kalak seri je na hai mayam harau seri je na ai noe ko adu nang gi du mai char ro ha just nang on the ego am lei ha te ai khoi mioi base aina khwai da gi tole haina chat pasina khwai da gi is mang tha bagi taran keno oi haini so halama lai ro adu ai khoi mioi base pen thok pa hai gadabani adagidi mioi thajaba mangal loi dabani haibagi pot adu yaragi khoi artist sing sina su khoi matam lebi khibikta samaj leiba mipum khudi mangse khoi amato oi bagi wakhal lon yam phajana loina ra chatpa matam dai khoi ngasi gi art si phajana chawkhat pangam goduru ne na sagi artist sing siga khoi public ka phajana relation laitagari kamaina khoi gi art si chawkhat ka thage aduna khoi leibiri ba khoi state sigi maruina khoi Manipur si amaruina matamam da khoi gi lila drama phajana torumbadu khoi irang phalang kai gumba apik pa su adugumba gi thodo singjina khoi matam chana tawba ngamdaba adu hojikti khoi ban ngarang na handa sumang lela festival hodoi adugi matam du khoi matam sangna chahi amani lepur ka so khoi artist sing du मखोइनो वाजरमगदबदो खोइ गभर्नमेन्टनसु फजन खंगि अदुना खोइ लैबा हौजिक लैबा ऑनरेबल सीएम गी मियंग मखादा खोइ लैबा आर्टिस्ट सिंजे खोइ स्टेट से देन अदगी खोइ स्टेट से आर्ट सी यामना मरु होइबा मणिपुर से आर्ट यामना पृथ्वी की मफम खुदिमोना खोइ की आर्ट्स खोइ मणिपुर से स्पोर्ट्स एंड कल्चर ने खोइ पृथ्वी में मसक तालेने ना खोइ ऑनरेबल गवर्नर से खोइ एवरी खोइ की स्टेट की आर्ट की कल्चर की फंक्शन खुदिमत लोइना दुम सरुक याबी सिगिना मुतु चाहिँ ऑनरेबल गवर्नर साहब थैंक यू एंड अदुना एखोइ लैरिबा एखोइ की लमदम से लैरिबा एखोइ की जाति खुदिमंगना आई नाट से चौखटनब होनब मतम आई आर्ट से चौखटनब होनब मतम कोई स्टेट से पुनः चौखट मिनगदुनी अमन चौखलग अमन चौखत्रगद मधु चौखट पकोब यारो अदुना ngasi tinbiriba ahal laman lai guru adu ngasi gi manu mapang sing puno pu ai khurumjar ngasi gi wangang bagi matam se ai matang je ten jagi ai puno khurumjar jai hind
Sri 𝔸𝕎𝔸ℝ𝔻 Honorable Minister Art and Culture Tourism asigi thorumda guest of honor wina lengsin bibani thorunga mari lena shada phobiba feelings mayam duni maru ina Manipur film masi promote tongna honna bada khanbiribo kalon share tawiramba adumungam khilitan thagase phongdoksari
Mathangi asina ngasigi thorum asibu preside tobiriba ikai khunajariba lamdamasigi Mukhyamantri Mingoina Hangacharabada Sri Yumnam Khemchan Singh Ikai Kumnajaribana Thorum Mapugi Warol Thambiranaba Nalukchari
Batondi My warm regards to Sri 𝔸𝕎𝔸ℝ𝔻𝕋, Honorable Governor of Manipur, and same with Madam Governor also. Then Sri 𝔸𝕎𝔸ℝ𝔻𝕼, Honorable Minister Art and Culture and Tourism. Then SCS, TD, and Director Art and Culture. 𝕊𝕋𝔸𝕃 Oja Guru Singh dengan si lakpiriba award pangbiba mayam diloina cinema sibu nusi bidana award ceremony sida 𝕊𝕋 koi attend to lakpiriba punamak media friends ai punamak bo ikai khunda uchari angarang su adum attend to jabane ado Kaisu thoidokpa hainingai leijade Manipur cinema si khoigi karamaina haurai kari stage da lei haisi aina haijadragasu 𝕊𝕋𝔸𝕃 thawayawba ojasing award sing loina khangbiraba ngaktani film society sigi award pangaktani adubu khoigi film puthokpiriba singna writer singna director singna Manipuri culture si Manipur ki culture si ngaktana phije chakcha dagi horaga ngakpidana cinema si traditional form da pusana ba hona bai beidang ta ina thagat pa pongdoksari loinana asuk sothana leiriba Manipur cinema sina ikui kuidana khoige kanoda British Academy Film Award bung aiba cinema aduna koi children and family award koi 79 British Academy Award phangdana si Manipur amadi Bharat ki apumbagi mai poraki that was the first time in the history of India haiba kano sida film festival sida yan han award phangbase masi India gi oina Manipur gi dung babung wei cinema adoni khuwa podi khubi yabjani so wai kharasi haijara kanda ai punma pu thagat chari aduga kanu gi lakadoba function kya dasu kogi yaujage hairaga iten jari jai hind jai Manipur
asigi thorungi president toina lengsin bedi basiri yumnam Khemchan Singh, Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, presidential speech yamna powerful about president speech thambiram bangam khalitana thagacha phongdokchari.
Ladies and gentlemen, some journeys in cinema are not measured merely by years, but by the lives they inspire, the culture they preserve, and the legacy they leave behind. It is now time for one of the most significant moments of this evening, the presentation of the MSFDS Lifetime Achievement Award 2025. This year, the honor is being conferred upon Sri Arambam Lokendra Singh for his extraordinary and lifelong contribution to Manipuri cinema as a screenplay writer, actor, filmmaker, film academician, and one of the pioneering forces behind the evolution of cinematic culture in Manipur.
Taratari Suba Manipur State Film Award 2025 Sigi Manipur State Film Development Society na Lanthok Chariba Lifetime Achievement Award Hariba Award si Pangbigadoriba Oja Dr. Lokendra Arambam Oja State Election Berakle Ojagi contribution di Yam Bani at the Lapiriba Paipunama honor to Vivo Winnie. If you are able to Uncle Dekat Piraga, oh na Ojagi right from 1972 Matam Manipur Degina, Udi Pavulekana, Ozana to Vivo Punamakse, some people winning, and putting our view, Hagat view.
Also would like to request our respected Chief Guest President and Guest of Honor to come up on the dais to honor and felicitate our respected Ocha. Dr. Arambam Lokendra is a pioneering figure in the world of Manipuri cinema. His enduring contributions as screenplay writer, actor, filmmaker, and film academician have left an indelible mark on the aesthetics and craft of filmmaking in Manipur. His documentary on the seminal play Pebet 1985 introduced Manipuri non-feature film at the Indian Panorama section of Indian cinema, considered the window to the best of Indian films. He was also involved in dubbing a Hindi language feature film into Manipuri language, renamed as Umangimi. In 2003, he produced an explosive documentary film on the Maira Paibi of Manipur, Soldiers in Sarong, for Ford Foundation, USA. Lokendra Singh was also a key crew member in the realization of Matam Ki Manipur, the first Manipuri feature film, playing a pivotal role in adapting, screenplay writing, and translating the script 𝕊𝕋𝸸𝔻𝕝.
Masigi, why do you have a lava Lifetime Achievement Award MSFDS na Ozagi Mapunda Lanthok Sabasida, a the Pauzeriba, why the gate Nuaizaba, why the gate South Mikupto, when the Bakna Loy in the Pogre and Logzeraga. Nampelitana, Ozabu, Hagatsaba Pondusari, Ozagi Punsi, Makhatana, Akoiga Loinana, Manipuri Cinema Gidamak, Taubiriba, Pudol Mayam, say left in the Tobiko, Habo Ponsi, Amukana, Hangatsari Ozagi.
Ladies and gentlemen, Oza's remarkable journey and dedication have profoundly shaped the language, aesthetics, and growth of Manipuri cinema across generations. Ladies and gentlemen, behind every credible award is a panel of dedicated jury members who invest their time, knowledge, and artistic sensitivity in recognizing deserving excellence. We now begin the felicitation of the books and critic jury members, and the first we have is Oja Bobby Wahingbam. Ladies and gentlemen, would like to have your kind presence on the dais, Shri Bobby Wahingbam. Bobby Wahingbam is a notable filmmaker and writer, recipient of the Swarna Kamal for Best Writing on Cinema and the Rajat Kamal for Best Film Direction. A Tagore Research Fellow, he has directed features, shorts and documentaries, and his upcoming book, 50 Years of Manipuri Cinema, A Generic Approach, is set for release soon.
Book and writings on Manipuri cinema, Sigi, panel member Roina, Siri, Waymabobi, Denkapirpa, Adogai Punelantok Cheri, Putol Posting Lobby Bang Pelitan Hagaso Pondok Cheri.
Mathang yesine kai kunajuri boja Narendra Ningomba stays the link Piraknaba Nalukcheri. Sri Narendra Ningomba is a celebrated Manipuri actor, lyricist, playwright and cultural critic with over 5 decades in theatre and cinema. He has written more than 1,700 songs, 65 film scripts, acted in over 60 𝕸𝕻 plays and 80 films and directed over 30 productions.
Maithong Yamba, Manipur gi Tang Laba Manipuri Magi, Hawaii ni Sri Narendra Ningomba. Ngasi, Ipanilantok Cheriba, Podolsi, Lawiriba, Adomungang Pelitana, Hagata Pondok Cheri.
Mathangda Books and Critics ki Chairman, Ikai Kunajuri Boja, Mingoina Hangachari, Sarachan Thiam, Lekshin Biraknaba, Nalukcheri. Sarachan Thiam is a renowned Manipuri poet, travel and sports writer and columnist with 7 poetry collections and 5 travelogues, featured internationally including 100 poems, 100 poets around the world for Love, London. He scripted the Manipuri feature film 𝕷𝕬𝕬 and frequently participates in literary events worldwide.
Manipuri literature, Manipuri Sahitya, Saukatna Bhavana for the last many years, Miyam Gatinaraga, Angakpa, Kwajiki Chaubu Pudul Tambirebo Zasar Santiam, Adamugang Pelitan Hagachaba Pondok Cheri.
We now move to the felicitation of the jury members for the non-feature film category in recognition of their valuable contribution and dedicated service. First we have is Sananda Furailatpam, ladies and gentlemen. Sananda
A
Furailatpam.
trained state awardee, sound engineer associated with leading filmmakers of Manipur and Assam, Sri Sananda Furailatpam.
Sananda Furailatpam holds a diploma in audiography and sound engineering from Dr. Bhupen Hazarika Film and Television Institute, Guwahati. A multi-state award winner, he has works across fiction and non-fiction films, collaborating with leading filmmakers from Manipur and Assam.
Sananda Furailatpam, Hagachaba Pondok Cheri.
Mathangyasina Sri Oinam Dorin, Lingshin Biraknaba, Nalukcheri. And next we have Chairman Sri Bobo Khuraisam, ladies and gentlemen. Bobo Khuraisam is an award-winning independent filmmaker, celebrated for his nuanced portrayal of human stories. Passionate about poetry and creative non-fiction, he brings a lyrical sensibility to his work across filmmaking and journalism.
Sri Bobo Khuraisam, Maki Mas Savitri. Haiba documentary films in Dan Panorama of EP 2016 da Kwaidagi Hajaba Lemjakrabadumba film Putokwa Ikai Kumazir filmmaker ne Adomanga Pelitan Hagachaba Pondok Cheri.
We now move to the felicitation of the feature film jury members, and the first we have is Sri Thingbajam Ramakanta Singh. Ladies and gentlemen, Ramakanta Singh is a sound technician and audiographer holding a diploma in audiography and sound engineering from DBHRGFTI, Assam. He has worked on acclaimed films including 𝕗𝕗 and The Bloody Funny, and won Best Audiography at the 13th Manipur State Film Awards 2020.
Feature film gi jury member in the South Yabi Basuri is Ramakanta Singh, Hagachaba Pondok Cheri.
Next we have Sri 𝕗𝕗 ℎ𝕗𝕋. Ikai Kunajari Boja, Lingshin Biraknaba, Nalukcheri. Sri 𝕗𝕗 ℎ𝕗𝕋. Mathang the jury member Amoina Sarugyabi. Ladies and gentlemen, we have Sri 𝕗𝕗ℎ𝕗𝕋 is an accomplished filmmaker, editor and cinematographer with over 3 decades of experience. A graduate with diplomas in photography and cinematography, he serves as principal of the Film Institute, Manipur. Ladies and gentlemen, moving on, we have Srimati Tayanjam Memadevi. Jury member of feature film category, Tayanjam Memadevi is a veteran Manipuri theatre and film artist with over 4 decades of experience in the performing arts, a retired senior lecturer from the Government Dance College Manipur. She has appeared in more than 300 digital films and 7 celluloid productions.
Srimati Tayanjam Memadevi ngasi thorum siling dirapa lantok seriba kudol posing lobiba sakang sing lobiba dung ngkalitan thagacham konglokse.
Ladies and gentlemen, next we have Shri R.K. Gyanranjan Singh. R.K. Singh is a multifaceted artist, actor, singer and filmmaker who has made significant contributions to Manipuri cinema and broadcasting. A trained vocalist and civil engineer, he has acted in acclaimed films such as 𝔸𝕎𝔸ℝ𝔻 and 𝔸𝕐𝕗 and directed several documentaries for Doordarshan, including musical instruments of Manipur.
Sri R.K. Gyanranjan Adombu Sinjaribagi Maikedi Ngapelitana Tagachava Konglokse.
And next we have Dr. Natasha Elangbum, Assistant Professor at Manipur University. Dr. Natasha Elangbum, Assistant Professor at Manipur University, holds a PhD in Mass Communication with a focus on Meitei women and the media. She won the Best English Narrator at the 56th National Film Awards for the documentary 𝕸𝕋𝕸𝕗, its evolution in time, an alumna of Victoria University, Melbourne and Lady Shri Ram College. She is also a literary translator. And ladies and gentlemen, we have the chairman of feature film jury member. Would like to have your kind presence on the dais, sir, Shri Dilip Mayingbam.
Ikay kumazariba Shri Dilip Mayingbam, masama poet ni, writer ni, lyricist and distinguished critic and seasoned broadcaster and art administrator and a national awardee.
Shri Dilip Mayingbam is a poet, writer, lyricist and distinguished critic. A seasoned broadcaster and art administrator, he has authored 3 poetry books and 2 collections of critical essays and edited numerous journals and publications. Recipient of the National Award and the Akashvani Award for Best Play, he has represented India at cultural events in Moscow, Tokyo, Shanghai and Dhaka.
Chairman Jury Sri Dilip Mayingbam Tagachava Konglokse.
Ladies and gentlemen, we now move to the felicitation of the editor of the official award catalogue of the 17th Manipur State Film Awards 2025. But sadly, respected 𝔸𝕗ℝ𝔼𝕋 could not be with us this evening due to ill health. Nevertheless, his remarkable presence and contribution to Manipuri cinema continue to inspire us all. We extend our heartfelt wishes for his speedy recovery. And now we arrive at the most awaited segment of the evening, the presentations of awards honoring excellence, dedication and artistic brilliance in Manipuri cinema.
Best Film Critic. Best Film Critic award goes to Asangbam Netrajit, ladies and gentlemen. The Best Critic Award is awarded to Asangbam Netrajit for the rich literary quality of his writings. May I request Sri Asangbam Netrajit for the Best Film Critic.
Ladies and gentlemen, 17th Manipur State Film Awards 2025 non-feature film category ki manguinana ahanbada Best Film Critic Award asina hogdokchari. Award asina leiting labai kai kunajari boja Asangbam Netrajit, Best Film Critic at the 17th Manipur State Film Awards 2025. Ojabu hana thagachari.
Non-feature films oji lokachariba Sigi tungan ba award category se matang lokacharake aduga award is same karatuna stage length no again. Special jury mention this very award goes to the silent performer, producer and Lakshmi Devi, director Vidrom Rakesh.
Like to request the special jury mention award winner, producer and Lakshmi Devi, director Vidrom Rakesh for the film The Silent Performer.
Some of the substance of the film is for its sensitive depiction of a theatre artist's perseverance, amidst the unrest in Manipur, the jury awards a special mention to this film.
Ladies and gentlemen, Special Jury Mention Award for Non-Feature Film category. And it goes to the silent performer, producer and 𝔸𝕉𝔸 director 𝔸𝕉𝔸𝕉𝔻.
Coming up next is Special Jury Award. This award goes to the film Legacy of Four Generations, producer 𝔸𝕉𝔸𝕝 and director 𝔸𝕉𝔸𝕝.
Ladies and gentlemen, Special Jury Award for Non-Feature Film category. And it goes to the film The Legacy of Four Generations, producer 𝔸𝕉𝔸𝕝, director 𝔸𝕉𝔸𝕝. In recognition of a Manipur artist family whose legacy continues to shape the region's cultural history, this film offers a poignant tribute. Ladies and gentlemen, producer 𝔸𝕉𝔸𝕝 and director 𝔸𝕉𝔸𝕝. Special Jury Award.
Ladies and gentlemen, here comes the section is feature films. Feature film ki amuk hauzik mathang award category sing si lakhusage paukthok ahanbada special jury mention lead actor female goes to, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome 𝔸𝕎𝔸ℝ𝔻 for the film 𝔸𝕐𝕐𝕐.
Ladies and gentlemen, our very gorgeous, very talented and multifaceted 𝔸𝕎𝔸ℝ𝔻. This is not her first time winning an award, and yet again she is crowned with the Special Jury Mention Lead Actor Female in the Feature Film category at the Manipur State Film Awards 2025 for delivering a deeply felt and restrained performance. Congratulations, 𝔸𝕎𝔸.
Special Jury Award. Now, here comes Special Jury Award goes to the film is Oneness. Producer is 𝔸𝕉𝔸𝔼𝕉 and director is 𝔸𝕉𝔸𝔼𝕉. Ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen, producer 𝔸𝕉𝔸𝔼𝕉 and director 𝔸𝕉𝔸𝔼𝕉 for the film Oneness. Special Jury Award for the category in the category Feature Film. For its heartfelt portrayal of love as a unifying force, Oneness embraces difference with tenderness and clarity. The jury commends the producers 𝔸𝕉𝔸𝔼𝕉 and 𝔸𝕉𝔸𝔼𝕉 and director 𝔸𝕉𝔸𝔼𝕉 for a film with an inclusive spirit and emotional depth articulated with artistic grace.
Congratulations, 𝔸𝕉𝔸𝔼𝕉, director of the film Oneness. Here comes the award is Best Makeup Artist. Ladies and gentlemen, Best Makeup Artist Award goes to 𝔸𝕑𝕐𝕝 for the film Sunita. 𝔸𝕑𝕐𝕝.
Ladies and gentlemen, Best Makeup Artist 𝔸𝕑𝕐𝕝 for the film Sunita. For meticulous and transformative makeup work in Sunita, contributing significantly to the film's realism and character portrayal. Ladies and gentlemen, 𝔸𝕑𝕐𝕝.
𝔸𝕑𝕐𝕝 thakchari. Sige matangda Best Costume Designer. Best Costume Designer, the award goes to Lamdam Sigi yamna saknairaba maming panba matamni mayam kitang kharaga hena mutu elevate tawbiu aduga artist in towan awardee sing si moigi sigit anja si moment si pangjaba matamda appreciate tawbisi Galif Pa for the film 𝔸𝕐𝕐𝕐.
Ladies and gentlemen, Best Costume Designer Galif Pa for the film 𝔸𝕐𝕐𝕐 for bringing style and authenticity to every character with elegant and distinctive costume design.
Galif Pa thakchari. Sige matangda Best Choreographer. Ladies and gentlemen, this award goes to Quinton Mayangam for the film Langdayama. Quinton Mayangam
If we have Quentin Mayingbam with us, would like to have your presence on the dais very soon.
Skip to Best Audiographer, Location Sync Sound. Ladies and gentlemen, Best Audiographer Award goes to Avilek Barua for the film Sunita.
And he is unable to be present with us today, so we convey our warmest congratulations and regards to him.
Then coming up next is Best Sound Designer. Ladies and gentlemen, Best Sound Designer goes to Navapan Deka for the film Sunita.
Unfortunately, he could not join us this evening, but we extend our heartfelt congratulations to him as well.
Best VFX Supervisor. Ladies and gentlemen, the award goes to Mahendra CH for the film Langdayama. Mahendra CH.
Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for Mahendra CH, Best VFX Supervisor at the 17th Manipur State Film Awards 2025 in the category Feature Film for integrating innovative visual effects that advance the plot and move the internal landscapes of psychological trauma, memory and the burden of choice into the fabric of the film Langdai Ama.
Now, Best Lyricist. Best Lyricist, the award goes to Ashok Kumar Moirangthem and Lambamayum Premchand. Ashok Kumar Moirangthem and Lambamayum Premchand for the song Matam Nangu, film Una Una.
Ladies and gentlemen, Best Lyricist, Ashok Kumar Moirangthem and Lambamayum Premchand for the song Matam Nangu, and the film is Una Una. For the poignant and artfully written lyrics of the song Matam Nangu and reaching the emotional depth of the film Una Una.
Ashok Kumar Moirangthem and Lambamayum Premchand Tagajo Pondokari Lunina Ekams. The award Best Music Director, Background Score. Ladies and gentlemen, the award goes to Raju Mutum for the film Oi Thaili.
Ladies and gentlemen, may we have Raju Mutum, Best Music Director Background Score for the film Oi Thaili, for an understated background score that navigates silence, tone and the rhythm to deepen the atmospheric and psychological intensity of the film Oi Thaili. Ladies and gentlemen, Raju Mutum.
Best Music Director, Background Score, Raju Mutum. Film is Oi Thaili. Congratulations, Raju Mutum Thagchari. Then, Best Music Director, ladies and gentlemen, Songs. Best Music Director, Isai Gini. The award goes to Lamdam Sigi Yamna Sakna Rabanaha Jariba, music composer ni Tony Ahibam for the film Una Una.
Ladies and gentlemen, Best Music Director, Songs at the 17th Manipur State Film Awards 2025, and it goes to Tony Ahibam for the film Una Una for his distinguished work in composing and directing songs that greatly contribute to the narrative and emotional depth of the film Una Una.
Tony Ahibam Thagasari. Now, Best Playback Singer Female. Mayam Karakara Amtang involved of please. I Best Playback Singer Female gi award Pambigadoribi Lamdam Sigi Sakna Debi Seisepi Pusparani Huidrom for the song Matam Nangu, and film is Una Una.
Ladies and gentlemen, the melody queen of Manipur, very gorgeous and very sweet and very talented singer artist of Manipur, Pushparani Huidrom, for her emotive and melodic vocal performance of the song. The Best Playback Singer Female is conferred to her. Congratulations, Jay. And moving on, next we have Best Playback Singer Male, and once again it goes to Arvin Soibum, ladies and gentlemen, for the song Matam Nangu, and the film is Una Una. This one song, Matam Nangu, is sweeping away the awards this year, winning Best Lyricist, Best Music Director, Best Playback Singer Female, and Best Playback Singer Male Hearty congratulations to the entire team for this remarkable achievement.
Arvind Swam Thakasari. Now, Best Screenplay Writer Adapted goes to 𝔸𝕉𝕗ℎ𝕗𝕋𝕼 for the film 𝔸𝕗℉𝔼𝕋𝕼, ladies and gentlemen. Best Screenplay Writer Adapted award goes to 𝔸𝕉𝕗ℎ𝕗𝕉.
Ladies and gentlemen, Best Screenplay Writer Adapted at the 17th Manipur State Film Awards 2025, and it goes to 𝔸𝕉𝕗ℎ𝕗𝕉 for the film 𝔸𝕗℉𝔼𝕋 for skillfully adapting 𝔸𝕝ℎ𝕼𝕋 biography into a powerful and empathetic screenplay that captures the depth and resilience of its subject.
The next award is Best Screenplay Writer. This is original. Best Screenplay Writer Original. The award goes to 𝔸𝕉𝕗℉𝕋𝕸 for the film 𝔸𝕐𝕋. Once again, may I ask 𝔸𝕸𝕗℉𝕋𝕸 to please come on stage.
Ladies and gentlemen, Best Screenplay Writer Original. And the winner is 𝔸𝕸𝕗℉𝕋𝕸 for the film 𝔸𝕐𝕋 for skillfully weaving psychological depth and relevant contemporary themes into a powerful and empathetic narrative.
The next award is Best Art Designer, ladies and gentlemen. This award goes to 𝔸𝕗𝕋𝕻 for the film Sunita.
Ladies and gentlemen, Best Art Designer, and it goes to 𝔸𝕗𝕋𝕻 for the film Sunita for her exceptional skill in creating the visual environment of the film Sunita through meticulous attention to detail and thoughtful design. She brings authenticity and depth to the film's setting.
Congratulations, 𝔸𝕗𝕋𝕻. And now here comes the award that is Best Editor Award. Best Editor Award goes to Tarun Wang for the film 𝔸𝕉𝕗.
Ladies and gentlemen, Best Editor at the 17th Manipur State Film Awards 2025, and once again it goes to Tarun Wang for the film 𝔸𝕸𝕗. Man who is snatching award in every award ceremonies, in every film festival. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Tarun Wang, Best Editor.
Tarun Wang Thakasari. Mathangda thamjariba lokachariba award se Best Cinematographer Award, and this award goes to Regan KH for the film Una Una. The ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Regan KH.
Ladies and gentlemen, Regan KH, Best Cinematographer for the film Una Una. For his striking compositions and evocative imagery, his work elevates the film's narrative through a distinctive visual artistry and the masterful cinematography.
Congratulations, Regan KH. Domo ang palitan tayo sa pungkuksari. Mathangda lokachariba award, Best Child Artist. Best Child Artist Award goes to Alka Thongam for the film 𝔸𝕉𝕗ℸ𝕗.
Mayam ahoba kuba kaloy na puping hagot bigani naung nahugalag ribi artist ni Manipuri film industry amadi film gi jagadasida khongdaribi artist ko mayam na saugat piyu puping thagat piyu. Best Child Artist Alka Thongam for the film 𝔸𝕉𝕗ℸ𝕗 for her natural and engaging portrayal in 𝔸𝕗ℸ𝕗, bringing innocence and authenticity to the role. Ladies and gentlemen, Best Child Artist Alka Thongam.
Alka Thongam Thakachari. Sige mathangda lokachariba award, Best Actor in Supporting Role Female. Ladies and gentlemen, supporting role the Best Actor Female tabi krabi lamdam sigi matam sang film gilain da miyam gi seba togduna laklabi saknai rabi actor ni Maya Chaudhuri. Ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen, Best Actor in Supporting Role Female And it goes to none other than Maya Chowdhury for the film Oneness, for a heartfelt and compelling portrayal of Anna Martin, a mother whose strength and vulnerability profoundly enriched the film Oneness.
Congratulations, Maya Chowdhury. Sige matanda, Lokachariba Best Actor in Supporting Role Male, ladies and gentlemen. The award goes to Lamdam Sigi Sapnairaba art form si Mirai Bilataba, any art form da Hector involved the Wangamba, Yamna Magunda Wangba, artist ni 𝔸𝕎𝔸ℝ𝔻 Sharma, ladies and gentlemen, for the film 𝔸𝕗𝕝.
Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for 𝔸𝕎𝔸ℝ𝔻 Sharma, renowned actor, singer, and also like to say director. Best Actor in Supporting Role Male for the film 𝔸𝕗𝕝, for his compelling portrayal of a character grappling with profound moral dilemmas, adding depth and emotional impact to the film 𝔸𝕗𝕝. Ladies and gentlemen, 𝔸𝕎𝔸ℝ𝔻 Sharma.
Thank you, Boni Sharma. Here comes the big awards in serial Best Actor in the leading role, female, goes to, ladies and gentlemen, 𝔸𝕉𝒻 for the film Sunita.
Ladies and gentlemen, Best Actor in Leading Role, Female, at the Manipur State Film Awards 2025 17th edition, and it goes to 𝔸𝒻 for the film Sunita, for her nuanced portrayal of a visually impaired woman, capturing the character's strength and vulnerability with remarkable grace and authenticity.
Congratulations, 𝔸𝒻. Ada mengapelitin tagas sa pundukceri. Sige matang the Best Actor in Leading Role Male, ladies and gentlemen. The award goes to Suraj Ngasepam for the film 𝔸𝕉𝒃.
Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Suraj Ngasepam, a talented and versatile actor of Manipuri film industry, and also have been part of Manipuri music video industry for now nearly a decade. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Suraj Ngasepam, Best Actor in Leading Role Male at the 17th Manipur State Film Awards 2025.
Congratulations, Suraj Ngasepam. And here comes the award, that is Best Debut Film of a Director. Best Debut Film of a Director. This award goes to the film 𝔸𝕉𝒃, and director is Dinesh Naurem, and producer is 𝔸𝕉𝒃, ladies and gentlemen.
Best Debut Film of a Director, and the film is 𝔸𝕉𝒃, director Dinesh Naurem, producer 𝔸𝕉𝒃, for a powerful debut that grounds personal narrative in political reality and for capturing the lived trauma of present-day Manipur with deep empathy and humanity. Lekshimbiriba kwai pumnamak na ahuba thukbakan loinana pumning thogatbigani. Matung tarapa filmsingda miyamgi pumning wakal oigadaba amadi Manipurbu masak takpa filmsing puthorakpa ngamba haina pumnamak na pumning thogatbiyo.
Dinesh Naurem, 𝔸𝕉𝒃, thagachapa phongdokchari. Mathangda Thamjariba awardsing loisalapa tanjada khwaidagi hena chawba achauchaba awardsing mathang. Then here comes the big award, that is Best Director. Best Director award goes to Manoranjan Longterm for the film 𝔸𝕗𝕝.
Ladies and gentlemen, why so quiet? It's an award presentation ceremony. Make some noise. Best Director for the 17th Manipur State Film Awards 2025, Manoranjan Longterm for the film 𝔸𝕗𝕝. For its insightful storytelling combined with precise control over cinematic elements, creating a powerful and immersive experience, the award is being conferred to 𝕇𝕎𝔸℉𝕋𝔸𝕋.
Next, we have the award Best Popular Film Providing Wholesome Entertainment. Ladies and gentlemen, Best Popular Film Providing Wholesome Entertainment. This award goes to the film is 𝕨𝕨, producer 𝕨𝕇ℎ𝕃 and director 𝕨𝕉𝕍.
Ladies and gentlemen, the last award for the 17th Manipur State Film Awards 2025, and that is Best Popular Film Providing Wholesome Entertainment, and it goes to the film 𝕨𝕨. And we have producer himself 𝕨𝕇℃ and director himself 𝕨𝕉𝕍. For its artistic excellence and outstanding ability to deliver engaging, wholesome entertainment that resonates with a wide audience, exemplifying heartfelt storytelling. Ladies and gentlemen, ꯂꯥꯟꯊꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯦꯋꯥꯔꯗ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯔꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯦꯋꯥꯔꯗꯅꯤ. ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯦꯋꯥꯔꯗ ꯁꯦꯔꯦꯃꯅꯤ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯊꯪꯒꯤ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ. ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯍꯧꯕ ꯈꯨꯕꯥꯛꯀ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯑꯦꯋꯥꯔꯗ ꯋꯤꯟ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯋꯤꯅꯔ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯀꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ, yes, thank you so much for your encouragement. Thank you so much, respected dignitaries on the dais, for doing the honor. And now, okay.
Best Feature Film.
So sorry, sir. So sorry. Left only one award. So sorry. Yes. Yes. Yes, sir. It's just one. Yes.
That is Best Feature Film. Ladies and gentlemen, so here comes the Best Feature Film. This award goes to 𝕍𝕍, and the producer is 𝔸𝕻 Nawang, Amarjit Chanasam, and director is 𝕨𝕇ℎ𝕃. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome. This is the last but not the least award, Best Feature Film. Award 𝕍𝕍, the producer, the director.
So sorry, it's entirely my mistake. I leave one more page. Ladies and gentlemen, the Best Feature Film at the 17th Manipur State Film Awards 2025, and it goes to the film 𝕍𝕍. We have producer 𝔸𝕻 Nawang, Amarjit Chanasam, and the director himself 𝕨𝕇ℎ𝕃. For its compelling narrative, masterful direction, and exceptional performance, contributing to a richly layered and impactful cinematic experience.
𝕍𝕍 Film's co-producers, aduga director, ꯉꯝꯈꯩ ꯂꯩꯇꯅ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯆꯕ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤ. ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯋꯥꯔꯗ ꯁꯦꯔꯦꯃꯅꯤꯗ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯂꯝ ꯑꯗꯣꯝꯅ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯂꯥꯡꯒꯣꯏ ꯐꯤꯂꯝꯗ ꯇꯥꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯁꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯆꯥꯎꯊꯣꯛꯆꯕ ꯐꯥꯎꯖꯩ. ꯉꯝꯈꯩ ꯂꯩꯇꯅ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯆꯕ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤ.
Thank you so much for doing the honor, our respected dignitaries. Yes, now it's over. And we'd like to invite our honorable chief guest of today's function, Sri Ajay Kumar Bhallaji, to address the gathering.
Very good evening to all of you. 𝕨𝕗𝕻, Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, Shri Yumnam Khemchand-ji, Honorable Minister for Art and Culture and Tourism, Government of Manipur, Shri Loken Singh-ji, Additional Chief Secretary Vivek, Commissioner Art and Culture Gyan Prakash, other senior officers, Secretary of MSFDS, Shri Sunzu, distinguished members of the film fraternity, respected jury members, scholars, artists, technicians, invited guests, and cinema enthusiasts. I was here yesterday for the 16th awards, and it's my pleasure to be present here again today at the 17th Manipur State Film Awards 2025. An occasion that celebrates the creative spirit, artistic excellence, and continuing journey of Manipuri cinema. Cinema is a mirror to society and a keeper of collective memory. Through cinema, the stories of communities, traditions, aspirations, and struggles find enduring expression. It allows us to remember where we come from, understand the realities of the present, and imagine the possibilities of the future. Manipuri cinema carries a distinct cultural voice. It is shaped by the history, traditions, values, and lived experiences of the people of the state. Yesterday we had an Untold Dreams, which is based on the actual experience of the society. Each film becomes a way of preserving cultural memory while also engaging with contemporary realities. In this sense, cinema is both an artistic expression and a social document. The works recognized reflects the continuing vitality, imagination, and commitment of our filmmakers, writers, scholars, and creative professionals. These awards honor not only films but also critical writing and publications that deepen our understanding of cinema as an art form. Such contributions are important because they help preserve the intellectual and historical journey of Manipuri cinema. Artistic creation often emerges from reflection on life's complexities. Cinema enables us to see ourselves and our society more clearly. It gives voice to emotions, questions, hopes, and concerns that may otherwise remain unspoken. Above all, it reminds us of our shared humanity. Cinema is truly a collective art. I take this opportunity to acknowledge the contributions of directors, actors, writers, cinematographers, editors, musicians, technicians, critics, authors, and all those who work behind the scenes. Every film is shaped by many creative minds, and every contribution adds meaning and strength to the final work. I would also like to encourage young and emerging filmmakers to continue telling stories rooted in local experience, cultural heritage, and social reality, while also exploring new forms of storytelling and cinematic expression. The future of Manipuri cinema depends on new voices, new ideas, and the courage to experiment. I appreciate the efforts of the organizers and the jury members for their thoughtful work in recognizing excellence in Manipuri cinema. Their dedication has made this celebration meaningful and dignified. Once again, special mention of Secretary MSFDS, Mr. Sunju, whose dynamism and energy is keeping this organization going, and I must thank him for making these wonderful efforts. I heartily congratulate all the award winners and nominees. Your work has enriched the cultural life of Manipur and has contributed to the growth of Manipuri cinema. Wish you all the best for your future endeavors too. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Manipur, Thagachari.
Ngasiki Torungi, Chief Guest winner, 𝕊𝕋𝔸𝕉 ℸ𝔼𝕃, Honorable Governor of Manipur, Ngasiki Chief Guest ki, Marubi Wafum Singh Thambir Mungang Pelitan Thagachu Phongdokchari.
And ladies and gentlemen, we now move into a graceful cultural presentation, 𝕸𝕎𝔸ℝ𝔻 Jagoi by Lianda Folk and Classical Academy. 𝕸𝕎𝔸℉ Jagoi is a traditional dance deeply rooted in the rich cultural heritage and indigenous way of life of Manipur. Originating from Laibok Jagoi, the dance beautifully portrays the age-old process associated with goddess Panthoibi's art of cotton cultivation, from harvesting cotton and spinning thread to the final craft of weaving. Graceful and rhythmic in expression, the performance reflects the intimate relationship between tradition, labor, creativity, and the enduring spirit of Manipuri culture.
Lianda Folk and Classical Academy, Nagamapal de Ladiva Academy Sigi, Artisingna, Pangtopigadaba, 𝕸𝕎𝔸℉ Jagoi, Pajarba Jagoi Siochi, 𝕊𝕋𝔸𝕝 Pun Makima Pumda, Kodol Tamjari, Mieng Tabisi.
Hello, hello, Chin. Hello, Chin. Hello, 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 Chin. Hello, 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 hello. 징우 이봉 하고윤 라이닝 더우 ngashina kuro nong ja le chingu ba kang le sumang na pari na mum kaya gi chare pi thong na ba chare awan apa le tan ba chare o pi bu shajar ki lightning thâu
ngasi pantukjariba thorum sigi chief guest when election biramba Shri 𝔸𝕎𝔸ℚ𝔼 Honorable Governor of Manipur Shri 𝕊𝕋𝸸℉𝕋𝔸𝕋 Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur President when election biba Shri 𝔸𝕎𝔸ℝ𝔻𝕼 Guest of honor when election biba Honorable Minister Art and Culture Tourism mapung oiba thorum sing loinamak saru yabiram laba matungda hauzik tongan ba thawai mayam pangbigadaba lainga ki oiba chinba mayam leba madu amuk pangtho unanaba phamsi thado chapikhiba aduga akai thorum sim mapung phan birbong angphelitin thagase phongdoksari
Loinana Thauramaka Chatazarak Poina, Jury Chairman, Books and Critic, Ikai Kumnajariba Ojashri, Sarachan, Thiamna, Pangtok Jariba, Thauramasiga, Mari Lenaba, Wapam Singh Tambiranaba, Nolukchari. Jury Chairman, Books and Critic, Ikai Kumnajariba Oja, Sarachan, Thiam.
Tara Tayet Suba Manipur State Film Awards Tongan ba category sing the award Pangbi Karba Punamakim from the congratulations Pijari Honorable Governor, Honorable CM, Honorable Minister Hujik Mafam the Tadok Tuna Tongan Tabuk Mayam Lebedis and the Kanamatunda Aikoi Lehoriba Koi Nixing Birapagi Matungina Wapam Karatam Jarabada Book and Kritiki Jury member in Kuigi me a home Konasaba committee ma Labisida Ayakna Chairman Aduga Wazana Render Ningomba Duga Waza Bobby Wahangbam Akoi home the Saba committee mana Kuigi Quaitagi Manipuri cinema Gamari Lenaba Lyricta Aduga Topa Mana Kuigi Tonga Tom film gi Madu criticism Pazan review to Hiba Karamba Muising Way Kibagi Habidugi Kanbagi Duni Adu Yamna no Aiki Kui Wazana Render Ningoma Mayam and Kambire Yamna experience Leraba Adu Mozamani Wazaga Pullaga Adagi now Bobby Tongan ba Pilda Ebedasu Aduga film Gizagatsidsu Magi Tongan ba my Kudol Mayam Lairabani Mayam Nanda Kambire CD P3BC Yamna Pikpa Kungangama Global Village might word of music tea Adubu film World City How just some Paktori Manda Konsenba Yoda Konda Bamatosu Lairakte Sigi Maraksida Aikoigi and the jury quick book and Kritiki Sigi Matanga Laksarabada Yamate and the Tamjage Aikoi Hairiba Lum Sida Haibatai Machine Karli Aduna Koi jury member Akoyum the Kumna Kanamatamda Lyrixi Aduga Magi review Okuna Tenamatamda Yamna Marang Kaina Pangdava Maramna Aikoi Yamna Wana Toki Adu Hojikti Kuigi film world si yamna pak chawna sandore iba maramna aikoi masibu amuk khangan na honabada publication lyric aduga kuigi critic singi role si yamna chawi makoina mathang nang khangla kanda tonga to bampham ka yogi doini manipuri cinema si aikoi makoina critic sing sina reviewer sing sina adagi aiba mayam sin ira kanda khangmangam gadoini sigi chang si aikoi da Ahanbada Ayana Akoigi Society Bu Nomkailit and Tagasay Maram di Sigi Ewatama Mamang de Dum Yauraga di Lai Adu Eragasu Yauraga Lapasida Koi mi Masingse Akoina Uriba Kangiba Karadu de Hena Anoba Song Horaktaba Masina Maram Moraga Akoina film gi World City Yamna Manipuri cinema gi Manipuri film Angak Papanga Awang Mayam Lagasu ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯔꯤꯚ꯭ꯌꯨ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯈꯪꯍꯟꯕ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯐꯤꯂꯝꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯅꯦꯒꯣꯔꯁꯤꯡꯒ ꯄꯤꯄꯜꯒ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯊꯣꯡ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯐꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯏ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯤꯖ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯤꯖꯗꯨꯅꯤ ꯔꯥꯏꯇꯔꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯇꯤꯛꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤꯁꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯋꯥꯠꯄꯁꯤ ꯂꯩꯕꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯤ ꯁꯤꯅꯦꯃꯥ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯁꯛ ꯇꯥꯛꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯗ ꯃꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯥꯡꯗꯨ ꯈꯔ ꯈꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯋꯥꯠꯄꯗꯧꯅ ꯇꯧꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯡ ꯂꯤꯛꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯣꯁꯥꯏꯇꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯋꯥꯔꯛꯁꯣꯞ ꯁꯦꯃꯤꯅꯥꯔ ꯀꯟꯐꯔꯦꯟꯁ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯂꯝ ꯑꯦꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯤꯌꯦꯁꯟ ꯀꯣꯔꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯄꯨꯛꯅꯤꯡ ꯊꯧꯒꯠꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯊꯣꯔꯛꯅꯅꯕ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯊꯧꯔꯥꯡ ꯂꯧꯈꯠꯀꯗꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯊꯤꯖꯤꯟꯕ ꯅꯩꯅꯕ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯃꯊꯧ ꯇꯥꯏ ꯚꯥꯔꯠꯇ ꯃꯃꯤꯡ ꯂꯩꯔꯕ ꯐꯤꯂꯝ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯇꯤꯛ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯀꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯣꯀꯦꯜ ꯔꯥꯏꯇꯔ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯒ ꯐꯤꯂꯝ ꯔꯤꯚ꯭ꯌꯨ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯂꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯟꯅꯕ ꯅꯩꯅꯕ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯃꯊꯧ ꯇꯥꯏ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯤ ꯚꯥꯔꯠꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯁꯛ ꯅꯥꯏꯔꯕ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯋꯥꯔꯗ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯪꯉꯕ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯇꯤꯛ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯨ ꯊꯣꯔꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯏꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯏꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯥ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯐꯪꯕꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯄꯨꯛꯅꯤꯡ ꯊꯧꯒꯠꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯔꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯊꯝꯖꯅꯤꯡꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯁꯛ ꯇꯥꯛꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯗ ꯐꯤꯂꯝꯁꯤꯅ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯋꯥꯡꯈꯠꯈꯤꯗꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯕꯨꯡꯒ ꯊꯣꯔꯛꯏꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯜꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯄꯤꯛꯄ ꯒ꯭ꯂꯣꯕꯦꯜ ꯚꯤꯂꯦꯖ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯕꯁꯤꯗ ꯐꯤꯂꯝ ꯋꯥꯔꯜꯁꯤꯅꯁꯨ ꯆꯥꯎꯊꯣꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯇꯥꯛꯎꯔꯤꯁꯤ ꯐꯤꯂꯝꯗꯨꯅꯅꯤ ꯐꯤꯂꯝꯗꯨ ꯀꯔꯝꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯔꯤꯚ꯭ꯌꯨअꯔꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯇꯤꯛꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯔꯥꯏꯇꯔꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯃꯀꯥ ꯐꯣꯡꯉꯛꯀꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯐꯣꯡꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯗ ꯔꯥꯏꯇꯔꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯇꯤꯛꯁꯤꯡ ꯔꯤꯚ꯭ꯌꯨअꯔꯁꯤꯡ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯊꯣꯔꯛꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯗ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯂꯒ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯊꯣꯔꯛꯀꯗꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯈꯟꯕꯤꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯃꯄꯨꯡ ꯃꯔꯩ ꯐꯥꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯎ ꯄꯥꯝꯕꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯧ ꯃꯔꯥꯗꯨ ꯈꯛ ꯌꯥꯔꯛꯇꯕ ꯃꯁꯥ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯣꯡꯊꯣꯔꯛꯏ ꯃꯁꯥ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯄꯨꯟꯕꯗꯨ ꯎ ꯄꯥꯝꯕꯤꯁꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯛꯀꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤ ꯎ ꯄꯥꯝꯕꯤ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯁꯥ ꯑꯃꯈꯛꯅ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯕꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯈꯨꯠ ꯌꯦꯠ ꯈꯛꯇ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯈꯛꯇꯅ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯄꯨꯡꯕ ꯃꯄꯨꯡ ꯐꯥꯕ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯄꯥꯃꯦꯜ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯃꯊꯧ ꯇꯥꯔꯛꯄꯅꯤꯅ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕꯁꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯊꯣꯔꯛꯅꯅꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯅꯦꯃꯥ ꯐꯤꯂꯝ ꯁꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯈꯪꯍꯟꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯗ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯊꯧꯗꯥꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯥꯡ ꯂꯩ ꯋꯥꯐꯝ ꯈꯔꯗꯤ ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯛꯄ ꯈꯨꯔꯨꯝꯖꯔꯤ ꯊꯦꯡꯛ ꯌꯨ ꯃꯦꯝ
Sri 𝔸𝕎𝔸ℝ𝔻, Chairman, Books and Critic, ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯔꯝꯁꯤ ꯂꯦꯡꯕꯤꯔꯛꯄ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯆꯔꯤ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯔꯝꯕ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯀꯁꯨ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯆꯕ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤ
ꯃꯊꯪꯒꯤ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯅꯣꯟ ꯐꯤꯆꯔ ꯐꯤल्म ꯀꯦꯇꯦꯒꯣꯔꯤꯒꯤ ꯖꯨꯔꯤ ꯆꯦꯌꯔꯃꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯔꯨꯛ ꯌꯥꯕꯤꯈꯤꯕ ꯏꯀꯥꯏ ꯈꯨꯝꯅꯖꯔꯤꯕ ಶ್ರೀ ꯕꯣꯕꯣ ꯈꯨꯔꯥꯏꯁꯝ ꯂꯦꯡꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯔꯛꯇꯨꯅ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯒ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯅꯕ ꯅꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤ
Thank you, Tamo. Thank you. Hujik mamang lengsin biramba Honorable Governor, Honorable Chief Minister, Honorable Minister, distinguished invitees, aduga ngasigi lifetime achievement phangwikhiba akhoi bu takpi tambirakpa mingwaina panjarabda oja Ramam Lokendra Kwaitara Nikai Kumnabu Chiri Kurumjari. Physicists singna akhoi cosmos, akhoi world, time, place, energy, motion. Masi akhoi da describe tona bokhana bada. They use a profound tool, which is mathematics. This tool itself becomes a language. Aduna cosmos described to the mathematics skill lona described to physicists singna. And on the other hand, for lesser mortal like us, who are called filmmakers, we try to make sense of the world by telling stories. Telling stories through camera, light, sound,
another technological paraphernalia. Aduna physicists tauna akoida, if you are asked to evaluate or contemplate on a film, akoida tool lejade. At the end of the day, we have to rely on our senses and perception, and ultimately on our feelings. Akoida tool lejade haibani, film ama contemplate tauna ba. Aduna ID kashu khangzabanate kashu haizabanate film kharaga namzabani. MSFDS ki ya maibungo Sanjuna jury oibidaba yade habiduda harau oizakhibani yamna khangma hiba nachade. So we rely on our feelings. Hoi feelings da, which are all subjective in nature. Masigi aruba journey sida chaminat khiba aigi nungsijaraba kalik ani Oinam Doren and Furailapum Sananda ngamkhai leitan thagadba phongdok chari. The Handak Chahigi oina entry si Adukimatik name habitare. Handak Chahina Quaidigi name or Mali, subject to correction. Name Labusum name na Quina film Anika Kangatche, Madudi, The Legacy of Four Generations, and The Silent Performer. Hairabani say Queen Hangatsabani, Aduga Ate category sing the Kui blank Tambasi film lick entry lick Panamaram Werga. Waikibani. Aduna gradually I nasum uzabada state award si magi dimension se hi gudin sauthore. And we look for authentic storytelling, we look for authentic emotions. Ado mathang chahidi humble submission, can I expect some authentic flowers instead of just flake flowers? Thank you.
Sri 𝔸𝕎𝔸ℝ𝔻 Chairman Jury non-feature films. Technical experience tuni. Wahi yamna machang wahi wahi kar thambiram basi kedamakta thagasaba phondok jari.
Thank you very much, Sri 𝔸𝕎𝔸ℝ𝔻, Chairman non-feature film. Matangi asina ikai khunajariba jury chairman feature films category ki Sri Dilip Mayingbam sir nasu Isada Faubiba and the jury chairman in the election Bikiba Matamda, Tegnakiba, Awanungai experiencing Tambiram Nabanolucheri.
Lengjin Biriba Mayam Buena Tagatsari Ngarang Namuk Chathaga Kuana Taubani Ngasi Namuk Roy Chakre Mi Maga Truk Tangaire Teorise. Anyway, Sanjuna Aibu feature film ki jury da Yahan Bibagita Makta Tagatsari Ngasai already Lauthok Pada Yaugre Ngasigi feature film ki jury members sing Yamna Masak Naiba veteran actor sing cinematographer, filmmaker, aduga Manipur University the Mascom the film Tambiriba Maya Mama aduga Sagi sound gi engineering tamakpa state kalada leiba masu aduna aikoina feature film tara mangani Sanjuna haibibada ahanba amakakti censorship yaudabadagi madu tribal film ni censorship yaudabadagi madu madi lauthokre aduga tara mari ni akoina khanabada yauzari se tara mari khanaba sida yamna nungai rebasi taret amana debut film ni ahanba director amana puthok film taret ni Atai director sing na khara puthong na graba aduga ataret amana ihan hana puthorak pa kangbune aikoina mama mathakki film yang bhamsida aikoina ayuktagina nungdawaram bausi yang basida ahan bada sum yengi yenga matungda khara phava sing du khangat laga film taruk mukhangat laga kona details singdo achoba big screen se damo kapaga ngasai gi light ki sound gi cinematography gi costume gi kadai kadai da phajaba yauriba kanana hena phajariba haibasi details to khangna bagi damakta yamna kuina sigi main hall sida mukapaga yengzei adugi matung dai khoina mathakta kakhatlaga karam karamba sina kari kari category da karmaina khana bain toroga khanba sida yamna nungai ribadi akhoi asa yamna chawi haibatai debut filmmaker wena puthoraiba film taret sigi manungda manga mukna award phangi manga mukna award phangi aduga best film phangba ama ani mari oirangani maina phangi masiam nungai maruoina akhoi hojik thoreiba angang singsina magi training ga loinana magi concept yam sengna ai film sita sengna puthoge haba lining amaga loinana sangsilakpagi khongjang siam nungai best popular film and wholesome entertainment tariba una umuna sisu debut film ni adagi best debut director gi oitharei sisu debut film ni adagi amana kainogi oneness haidana jury mention phange sisu ahumak se debut ngatkani smai tawdana anuba director singsina akoi yamna kano nate yamna paisa thadaraga tawba nate low budget ta puthokpa aduga yamna detail oina yam phajana puthore masigi damakta aina filmmaker singbu director adagi di cinematographer adi editor adagi sound gi kari gi design tawriba sing sound gi khangde tawriba punamak sibu aina yamna thagat chaningi akhoi na yam kupna khanaraga sina karamaina lepsi kham kamain lepsi du tawraga unanimously jury members singchina unanimously khanbani adana masida akhoi yam kui na kupna khanaraga khwaidagi fajabasi khansi khwaidagi matik chabaduda mana se pc hen tawraga admaina khanajaki bani madugi damakta jury members sing boina hainingai letana thagatsari unanimously akoina khanbangam gibagi damakta atopa mana aina dance academy da lejaringe da state kala academy gi mana asi yamuni maina leringai matamdu da akoina amuktang revise to si edana to busida uja kunjam hongai ga samga toraga aingonda sinabi sangit natak kananga yam kuk kanna mari du leina banina mana se karmain to si ge sem sena sida ahan be lising manga khak lerame mana se mana gi amount se aina lakh ama to si sahitya academy su lakh ama yaure haibe sida uja kunjam honga ega sam gana se gamena pirak to yai lising yang gai da to sene lep khibani aduna commissioner su yauring ai sida ina hygienic badi governor ga chief minister ga di mantri ga di lengbigre aina hygienic badi film puthoi sing se paisa hujik tong deba hanjan deb aduna mana phangi ba sing se hujik lakh ama khak ni piri se director da lakh ama best film da lakh ama aduna masi 10 times hangat piyo lakh tara di soidana yohon biu hai basi thamjaraga mayam puno ku thagatsari
Ekai komnazir basri Dilip Mengbam Chairman Jury Feature Films Tengna birapa experience sing dunga se share to biramba adoga yam transparent laina apa film sing khanbagi ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯆꯦꯂꯦꯟꯖꯦꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯣ ꯑꯣꯚꯔꯀꯝ ꯇꯧꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯐꯕ ꯐꯤꯂꯝ ꯈꯟꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯤꯔꯤꯌꯦꯟꯁꯁꯨ ꯁꯦꯌꯔ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯝꯕ ꯃꯈꯜ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯆꯕ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤ.
And ladies and gentlemen, before we conclude, I would like to have the honor to invite Srimati Shunanda Thokchom, MSS Joint Secretary, Art and Culture, Government of Manipur, to propose the vote of thanks.
ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯃꯛꯇꯗ ꯇꯤꯟꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏ ꯃꯅꯃꯛꯄꯨ ꯑꯩꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯏꯀꯥꯏ ꯈꯨꯝꯅꯕ ꯎꯠꯆꯔꯤ. ꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯂꯦꯡꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯔ ꯀꯃꯤꯁꯅꯔ ꯑꯥꯔꯠ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯀꯜꯆꯔ ꯑꯩꯆ ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯟ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯀꯥꯁ, ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯆꯤꯐ ꯏꯂꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯀꯃꯤꯁꯅꯔ ꯁꯔ ꯖꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡ, ꯊꯣꯏꯗꯣꯛ ꯍꯦꯟꯗꯣꯛꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯀꯥꯏ ꯈꯨꯝꯅꯕꯗ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯆꯥꯔꯕ ꯗꯤꯒꯅꯤꯇꯔꯤꯁ, ꯑꯦꯋꯥꯔꯗꯤꯁ, ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯂꯝ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯦꯇꯔꯅꯤꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯦꯝꯕꯔꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯇꯤꯟꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛ, ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯃꯦꯃꯣꯔꯦꯕꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯕ award presentation of 17 Manipur State Film Awards 2025 asida aihakna mayamgi maraksida yawba phangjaduna sumaina vote of thanks piba phangjabase aihakkidamakta laibak phabani. Ihan han bamaktada aina on behalf of Manipur State Film Development Society akoigi hojikpudi phamje thadoktuna akoigi achinbadagi chatpikhre akoigi Honorable Governor Sir Shri Ajay Kumar Bhala, Honorable Chief Minister, akoigi Shri 𝕬𝕋𝔸𝕃, akoigi First Lady Srimati Jyotivala, amasung akoigi Minister Art and Culture Tourism Local, mayam punamak akoi sigi program ase yaubiduna tawibase akoigi damakta mokoina yaurambase akoigi program sigi magun hengat paloinana dagi makoina thambiraba warol kya amduna akoida loksing oijakhi. Dukidamakta mokoi busu aihangna lengrasu imangda leijadrabasu thakachaba phongdokjare. Aina loinana Manipur State Film Development Society ki maikeidagi akoigi fisher amasung non fisher film gi jury member oibiriba thoidok hendokna ikai khumdabda matik charaba makoigi support adagi makoigi wisdom commitment yaudana ngasigi program ase successful oiroidaba amasung makoina pibiba support ki damakta ayangna thagapa phongdokjari. Loinana akoigi Commissioner Art and Culture na akoibu lamjing lamtakpiduna ngasi akoi myamse ngasi gise akoi successfully perform tawba ngambada sarbusu ehangna thagapa phongdokjari. Loinana akoibu atop mayam amada design adagi catalog ta koi mating pangpikhiba Haisnam Office of Design adagi akoigi printing catalog kida RK Brikamjit, Sri Joy Prakash Sharma, amasung akoigi editor of official award catalog James Khagemba punamapu ehangna thagapa phongdokjari. Loinana akoigi partially sponsored tobikhiba Kishan Audio Visual bisu koina ikai khumnaba utchari. Loinana ngasi thoidokna mayamda mifam hongdana phajana akoigi performance pibigiba akoigi nganthoibi ningthogjam amasung Leanda Folk and Classical Academy su akoigi thoram asida phajaba presentation asigumba cultural performance upi hibagi damakta Manipur State Film Development Society ki maikeidagi ehangna thagatjaba phongdokjari. Loinana akoigi hairiba film awards asibu media da mayamda akoi yohonbiriba masi coverage tawiriba akoigi media gi ichin inauk busu ehangna thagapa phongdokjari. Loinana aloiba oina khwaidagidi akoigi magul leibiriba ngasi award phangbiriba oja guru amadi akoigi ichin inau punamakpu aihaki maphamdagi akoi congratulate tawjari amasung thagapa phongdokjari. Masi haijaraga ehang matang asida loisinjaragi thagatjari mayambu.
Srimati Shunanda Thokchom, MSS Joint Secretary, Art and Culture, Government Manipur, asi pangtokse thorum si losinjara putanjada lapidi bukhai punamaki maphamdani thagat wahi, that is word of gratitude thambi rambi ngkulitna dumu thagatse pangdoksari.
Ladies and gentlemen, with this, the formal session of the award presentation ceremony of the 17th Manipur State Film Awards 2025 comes to a close. Cinema is not created by cameras alone. It is created by people who continue to believe in stories, emotions, and identity. Today, we celebrated that spirit together. Refreshments will now be served, followed by the screening of 𝔸𝕼𝕻, recipient of the Best Feature Film Award.
𝔸𝕼𝕻 hariba film si 120 minutes length ni asang base. Adon tea break si hek loi baga mapam sida ada auditor manung sida hek lapiri bukhai punamak invites punamak official punamak changbiro aduga hek adum hek chang pa full hek oi baga film si dum utna bagi chap chaba pungpham du adum akoi ngai dina lejerage mayam otherwise can be dana hojik tea break sida enjoy tok biro aduga hek chang paga film si hogna bagi tanja du lojari punamak pu thagchari
punamak pu khurumchari.